Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. Today's video is perfect for all our to-be brides. We will be creating this perfect engagement ceremony look. This nude makeup with red glossy lips, all you need for your engagement. You can see the shine and glow on her face. So without any further ado, let's get started with the makeup. So we are starting with Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It is going to moisturize and prep the skin for the makeup. A perfect product which gives you glow, which is perfect for night functions. For base, we are going to use Airbrush Finish Foundation. It is full coverage, it gives you soft matte look and gives you very flawless yet fresh finish. For blush, we are using Chiquita blush in shade 03. It gives lumi matte finish to the skin, very pigmented, one swipe application as you can see. And you can use your finger for the blending. And that's the final effect of blush. For eye makeup, I am using 24/7 Passport eyeshadow palette in shade 03. For enhancing the crease, I am mixing this and this color, dusting off, placing the product and blending the edges. Taking this purple color in the corner of the eye and creating depth. As you can see how pigmented this look. For adding length and curl, I'm using Precision Mascara. For lipstick, I'm using Hold Me Matte Liquid Lipstick in shade 21. Super pigmented lipstick, very hydrated, stays for 12 hours. Does not smudge, does not budge, does not fade at all. Completing the look with Slay Nail Color in shade 12. This nail paint does not chip, does not fade, and gives you very pigmented shine. To amp up the look, I'm adding Plump Up Lip Gloss in shade 11. It's a single application formula, gives fuller looking lips and adds shine as well. See how pretty it looks, so elegant for an engagement ceremony. I hope you love the look. Like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. Bye bye.